Welcome back to Bazai. Today we're exploring Memori, an open-source memory engine that gives your AI agents human-like memory. Imagine never having to repeat context again, and having your AI remember every conversation like a real assistant. Here's the issue with current AI. Every conversation starts from scratch. You tell ChatGPT you're working on a Python project, then in the next chat you have to explain it all over again. Memori solves this with dual-mode memory injection. Conscious mode, like short-term working memory, keeps essential info readily available. Auto mode dynamically searches your entire conversation database. Combined mode, best of both worlds. How it actually works. Memori uses 3 intelligent layers. Memori agent processes every conversation using pedantic validation, extracting structured data like facts. I use PostgreSQL for databases. Preferences. I prefer clean, readable code. Skills. Experience with fast API. Rules. Always write tests first. Conscious agent analyzes patterns and promotes the 5 to 10 most important conversations to short-term memory, like your name, current projects, and frequently mentioned topics. Retrieval agent. On every LLM call, it intelligently searches the database and injects 3 to 5 most relevant memories automatically. Universal integration and setup. The beauty? It works with any LLM library. Compatible with OpenAI, Anthropic, LangChain, Crew AI, everything gets recorded and contextualized automatically. Database flexibility. SQLite for quick starts, PostgreSQL for production, MySQL for enterprise. Real-world applications. Memori shines in personal assistance with mood tracking and personalized recommendations. Customer support that remembers your previous issues. Research agents that build upon previous sessions. Multi-agent systems with shared memory across agents. The result? 26% accuracy boost and 91% lower latency compared to traditional context methods. Ready to give your AI agents human-like memory? Check out the GitHub repo. It's MIT licensed and works out of the box. Have you tried persistent memory systems? Drop your experiences in the comments.